Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 18th, and this is my analysis for silver. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So silver's actually been very sideways for quite a while now, pretty much all month. To me, if you've been watching my videos, you know that I am very bullish on the very high time frames. I still think there's a very good likelihood that silver is going to reach about the $36 area to finish off potentially a wave 5 of wave C. But for now, definitely staying bullish. I mean, if we go back down to the 4 hour time frame, I do think that it is very likely a downtrend right here. I think this is an A. To me, it actually looks like this is like a one, two, three-way pullback for wave B, which is a correction to the wave A. And it looks to me like this is actually going to go down again for a C before it potentially continues the uptrend. I still think this is maybe a wave 1 of wave 5, wave 2 of wave 5, maybe go down to, someplace between the 38, 50, 61%, and then go up for a wave 3 of wave 5. So taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely would be keeping an eye on these highs right here. We don't have a breaker structure to the downside yet. So if we can actually go up and take out these previous highs and then get a breaker structure down, that's probably what will tell us that it is a wave B and that this is a wave A and that it is going back down for a wave C. So definitely keep an eye out for either a breaker structure or possibly a nice lower high around these highs. If you see that, then most likely it will be telling you that it really is the end of a wave B and likely the continuation of the down move, which is, I was going to say the downtrend, but it's not really a trend, it's a correction for a wave C of wave 2. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.